What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel Unitainment. And today, we're about to blow your minds with some seriously easy ways for teenagers to stack cash online. That's right, forget about begging your parents for an allowance. We're talking about becoming your own boss, setting your own hours, and watching those dollar signs roll in. Whether you're trying to save up for that dream purchase, need some extra cash for fun, or just want to learn the art of the hustle early on, this video is for you. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to unlock the secrets to online money making. Let's go! First up, we're diving into the world of freelancing. Imagine this, you, in your PJs, calling the shots and getting paid to do what you're good at. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's totally doable with freelancing. We're talking about websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These are your online marketplaces for skills. Whether you're a graphic design whiz, a coding ninja, a writing guru, or you have a knack for translating languages, there's a gig out there waiting for you. Here's the deal. You create a profile, showcase your talents, and set your own prices. Don't be afraid to start small though. The key here is to build up your reputation and get some positive reviews under your belt. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. The more you work and impress clients, the higher you climb. And the best part? You get to choose projects that actually interest you. No more boring summer jobs or mind-numbing tasks. Freelancing is all about freedom and flexibility, baby. Communication is key here, guys. Make sure you're crystal clear with your clients about what they want and when they want it. A happy client is a repeat client. And those are the golden tickets to building a steady income stream. And hey, if you really want to level up your freelancing game, invest some time in learning a high-demand skill like coding or digital marketing. Trust me, those skills are in hot demand right now, and they can seriously boost your earning potential. So, ditch the lemonade stand and step into the world of freelancing. It's time to become your own boss. Next up, we're diving into the world of online surveys and market research. Now, I know what you're thinking. Getting paid to share my opinion? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, this is a legitimate way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. We're talking about websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and a bunch of others that actually pay you for your thoughts. It's like they always say, your opinion matters. Signing up is a breeze. Just create an account, fill out some basic info, and boom, you're in. You'll start seeing a bunch of surveys pop up, and you can choose the ones that pique your interest. These surveys cover all sorts of topics, from movies and music to products and services. It's like having a conversation and getting rewarded for it. Now, here's the best part. You earn points for every survey you complete, and those points can be redeemed for cold, hard cash or gift cards to your favorite stores. It's like getting paid to shop. I know what you're thinking. How much can I really make from this? Well, it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a super easy way to make some extra cash in your downtime. Think about it. While you're watching TV, waiting for the bus, or just chilling at home, you could be racking up points and padding your wallet. Here's a pro tip: set aside a specific time each week dedicated to surveys. The more surveys you take, the more points you earn, and the closer you get to those sweet, sweet rewards. Also, keep an eye out for websites that offer sign-up bonuses or extra points for completing your first few surveys. It's like getting free money just for trying it out. So, if you're down to share your thoughts, make your voice heard, and get rewarded for it, then jump on the online survey bandwagon. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. Chapter 3. Selling products online. Unleash your inner entrepreneur. Alright guys, let's talk about turning your passion into profit by selling products online. That's right, we're talking about becoming e-commerce entrepreneurs. Whether you're a crafting machine, a vintage clothing enthusiast, or you have a knack for finding hidden treasures, the online marketplace is your oyster. First things first, you gotta figure out what you're going to sell. Are you a master of DIY and want to create handmade crafts? Etsy is your new best friend. It's like a virtual craft fair where you can sell your unique creations to a global audience. Got a closet full of clothes you never wear? eBay is calling your name. It's the perfect platform to sell gently used items and give them a second life. Now, here's the key to success in the e-commerce game. Research, research, research. You need to know what's hot, what people are buying, and what's going to make your products stand out from the crowd. Tools like Google Trends and social media are your best friends here. They'll give you insights into the latest trends and help you identify a niche that excites you and has a hungry audience. Once you've got your products lined up, it's time to create eye-catching listings. Think of it like your online storefront. You want it to be clean, professional, and showcase your products in the best possible light. High-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing are key. And don't underestimate the power of social media. Promote your products, engage with potential customers, and build a buzz around your brand. Remember, guys, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right mindset and a killer work ethic, you can turn your passion into a profitable online empire. Chapter 4: Content Creation. Turn your passion into views and cash. Listen up, all you creative geniuses. If you're bursting with ideas and love expressing yourself, then content creation is your ticket to online riches. And the best part? You get to do what you love and get paid for it. We're talking about platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitch. These are your stages to shine, to share your unique voice with the world, and to build a loyal following that's obsessed with your content. So, what kind of content can you create? The possibilities are limitless. Are you a gaming wizard who can rack up victory royales like it's nothing? Start a gaming channel and share your skills with the world. Got a passion for makeup and fashion? Become a beauty influencer and share your tips and tricks. Maybe you're a natural comedian who can make people laugh until their sides hurt. Start a comedy channel and spread the joy. The key here is to be consistent. The algorithm gods reward those who post regularly and engage with their audience. Think of it like watering a plant. The more you nurture it, the more it grows. And speaking of growth, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Use analytics to see what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. And hey, if you really want to take your content creation game to the next level, invest in some decent equipment. Good lighting, a quality microphone, and a decent camera can make a world of difference in the quality of your content. And remember, guys, building a successful content creation career takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of creativity. But if you're passionate about what you do and you're willing to put in the work, the sky's the limit. Chapter 5: Affiliate Marketing. Earn while you learn. All right, guys, let's talk about one of the coolest ways to make money online: affiliate marketing. This is where you become an influencer, a tastemaker, a recommender of awesome products and services. And the best part, you get paid for it. Think of it like being a digital salesperson, but instead of working for one company, you're promoting products you love from a variety of brands. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program with a company you trust. Amazon Associates is a great one to start with, and they give you a unique link to share. Then, whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing a niche that you're genuinely passionate about. This could be anything from gaming and tech to fashion and beauty. The more you know about your niche, the more authentic and persuasive your recommendations will be. And remember, guys, honesty is key here. Only promote products that you genuinely believe in and that you think your audience will love. Once you've found your niche and signed up for some affiliate programs, it's time to start promoting those links. You can do this through your social media channels, your blog, your YouTube channel, or even just by sharing your links with friends and family. The more people you reach, the higher your chances of making sales. And hey, don't be afraid to get creative with your promotions. Run contests, offer discounts, and provide valuable content that will make people want to click on your links. Before we wrap up, here are a few general tips for success in any of these online money-making ventures. 1. Stay organized. Use tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of projects and deadlines. 2. Network. Connect with others in your field through social media and forums. 3. Keep learning. Online courses can help you develop new skills that are in demand. 4. Manage your time. Set aside specific hours each week to focus on your money-making activities. 5. Have fun, choose something you enjoy. This will keep you motivated. There you have it. These are just a few ways for teenagers to make money online. Remember, balance is key. Keep up with school and have fun along the way. Choose what interests you the most and start exploring your options. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to Unitainment for more tips and insights. Don't forget to share your own money-making ideas in the comments below. Thanks for tuning into Unitainment and happy hustling.